Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your personal channel to your Telegram profile. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that. You need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Telegram, and as you can see, if I click on my profile right here, I have no personal channel added to my profile, but I want to this channel appear here so people will check my profile and subscribe to my channel. So to add channel to your profile, you need to go to your profile like I did and click on the edit button in the top right corner. Now here in the section where the number is, username and your color will be an option to add your channel, but I don't have this option because I don't have my personal channel yet, so we need to create our channel first. So click on done, go back, go to the chats, and here click on the little button with a little pen in the top right corner. Now go and click on new channel and go and click create channel to create our new channel. Now name the channel, so for example my channel. Add description if you want, you can do this later if you want to add something. Now click next. And basically here we need to make this channel public, otherwise we won't be able to add this channel to our profile. So make it public, create the link for this channel, so in my case it will be something like that, and if you want you can restrict saving content or not, then click next. You can add some contacts to your channel as well, but I'll just leave it like that. And as you can see, I created my channel. Now if I go back, go to my profile in the bottom side of the screen, click on the my profile, now edit in the top right corner. Here will be an option called channel, as you can see. Now if you click on it, you can just click on your channel that you created just a moment ago, click on it, and as you can see now it says channel, my channel. Click on the done button in the top right corner. And as you can see, now everybody sees our personal channel in our profile and they can just click on it and subscribe to it. And basically that is it. That is how you can add your personal channel to your Telegram profile. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.